Chicken chow mein is a popular Chinese-American dish consisting of stir-fried chicken, vegetables, and noodles. Here's a basic recipe to help you make chicken chow mein at home. Ingredients. For the marinade. 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breasts, thinly sliced. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon cornstarch. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. For the sauce. 1/4 cup chicken broth. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon hoisin sauce, optional. 1 teaspoon cornstarch. For the stir fry. 8 ounces chow mein noodles or egg noodles. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon ginger, minced. 1 onion, thinly sliced. 1 cup sliced bell peppers. 1 cup sliced carrots. 1 cup sliced cabbage. 1 cup bean sprouts. 2 green onions, sliced, for garnish. Instructions. Marinate the chicken. In a bowl, combine the sliced chicken with the soy sauce, oyster sauce, cornstarch, and sesame oil. Mix well and let it marinate for about 15-20 minutes. Prepare the sauce. In another bowl, whisk together the chicken broth, soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, and cornstarch until the cornstarch is dissolved. Set aside. Cook the noodles. Cook the chow mein noodles or egg noodles according to the package instructions. Drain and set aside. Stir fry the ingredients. Heat a wok or large skillet over high heat. Add the vegetable oil and swirl it around to coat the surface. Add the marinated chicken and stir fry until it's no longer pink. Remove the chicken from the wok and set aside. In the same wok, add a bit more oil if needed. Add the minced garlic and ginger, and stir fry for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Add the sliced onion, bell peppers, carrots, and cabbage to the wok. Stir fry for a few minutes until the vegetables start to soften but remain slightly crisp. Push the vegetables to the sides of the wok, creating a space in the center. Pour the sauce into the center of the wok and let it come to a simmer. Once it thickens slightly, mix it with the vegetables. Add the cooked chicken back to the wok and toss everything together to combine. Add the cooked noodles and bean sprouts to the wok. Toss everything together gently to coat the noodles and heat them through. Taste and adjust the seasoning if necessary. Serve. Transfer the chicken chow mein to serving plates and garnish with sliced green onions. Enjoy your homemade chicken chow mein. Feel free to customize this recipe by adding or substituting vegetables and adjusting the seasonings to your preference.